Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into how to change the pen tool color in Photoshop, step by step. If you find this tutorial helpful, make sure to hit that subscribe button for more tips and tricks. Step 1. First, open your Photoshop project and select the pen tool from the toolbar on the left side of the screen. If the pen tool isn't visible, no worries. You can easily search for it using the search bar at the top of Photoshop. Next, turn the path to a shape. In the options bar, you'll see a color box next to the word fill. Click on that color box to bring up the color picker. Here, you can choose any color you want for your pen. If you have a specific color in mind, you can either use the color sliders or input a hex code directly. Once you're happy with your color, hit OK, and you'll see the pen tool now uses the color you've selected for your paths. Don't forget to do the same for the stroke color as well if you want to change that. Thanks for watching. I hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next video.